So these infotainment systems, as fancy as they are, don't you just love the way they look nice and clean? As soon as you start using them, you get those fingerprints all over them. Let's see if I can't try and fix that there today. Also, these things here. Let's see how it goes. Tempered glass screen cover. Let's see how that goes. I'll actually record this process, but y'all check it out. It says it's tempered glass, 9/8 hardness. I have no idea what that means. Bubble free. There you go. Anyways, I'll try and record the process of this. See how well it goes. Upload it on YouTube. Bet y'all check it out. Alrighty, let's open this up. See what we have here. It's supposed to be two pieces in here. I'm not sure exactly. Got our cleaning kit. And oops, opens up two ways here. Protective screen, instruction manual. A big expensive piece of cardboard. I probably paid more for that than the piece of plastic that was inside it. Probably don't need the instructions. I'm a guy. And there looks to only be one inside here. It does, yeah. There's only one. So I better get it right the first time. And looks to go on this way. How does it fit? Actually looks like it's gonna be pretty close to the money right there, eh? I'm gonna line it up right about there. I think so, yeah, right about there. Doesn't appear to be a protective film on the front of this. No, it does not. Just the back side. No, just the back side itself. What do we have for tools in here? Alcohol wipes. We've got microfiber cloth. Dust removal sticker and fix sticker to hold it in place while we're trying to position it. I'm going to put this on right off the bat here. Probably something like that right there. Same with the other side over here. No stickers on the other one. Just put those just like that so I can put it up and have it ready to put in place when I'm ready. Wipes. Same thing, gonna have this ready to. Now I got another terry cloth. I'm just gonna run over the top of this and try and get as much dust as I can away from here. Keep the dust off of it. Just gonna shut this machine off there too and keep that air conditioner from throwing dust all over the place. I got a bunch of noise going on outside there, but do the best we can with all of them. So I'm going to peel off this original screen that came with it. And just give this a good wiping. No, Google, I don't need anything. It looks pretty clean actually. A little bit of dust on there in a couple spots, but just this microfiber here now. my sticker. I need one more sticker here. Just have it ready to look for dust on that anywhere. Get my hat out of the way. Got the sun coming in at a good angle here right now. I don't see any dust on there. Just gonna give it a go and try and put this on real quick here. See how well that goes. I think I went a little bit too far over that way. Again, too far over that way. Step just a shade. Okay, got that in there now. Flip that up. And just as I thought, I got dust under there now. And fingerprints. Try this again. Failed on the first try. Can't seem to get it centered. Incredibly important. Jesus fuck. I just noticed there's no credit card, there's no tab or anything to push it in here. if that sticks or what. It's all right there. I have a feeling somebody's been into this kit before.
Oops, something went wrong. Please
Oops.
try again.
All right, Google. That's good enough. All right. Looks like it's working. What are your thoughts on that? Seems to look all right there. So back to the display. Let's go to maps. Google Maps seems to work all right. Set up offline maps if I wanted. Good options. This one doesn't appear to give me the built-in maps on truck. Doesn't appear to give me satellite mode. I actually have to switch to Android Auto for that. And this one here, I think this one here I can select satellite mode there, yeah. Just like that. Everything else working. Waze is up and running. Don't need that. All looks good there. Turn that off before YouTube gives me a copyright notice. Well, there it is. Took all of what? 5 minutes to put it on there. Hadn't done this type before there, so it took me a little bit longer than probably somebody who had some competence. Seems to be pretty lined up a little bit inside the edges all the way around, but that's fine actually. If it was sticking out right to the edge, that should be a chance you could hook it with a rag or something, pull it off while you're trying to clean it. So that's probably better off the way it is. Anyways, y'all, hope you enjoyed that video. Oh, my hand right in front of the camera, just like an old man. Anyways, about time for me to head on home. I think my wife's gonna be, oh no, it's only 4:15. She'll still be at work there right now. But I got things to do. Me and the hats. We gotta roll. Take care, y'all. Like I said in my other videos, peace out.